A lot of what I was looking for, so the benefit of the rotation is that you have the on-the-job working experience, but then you also have a mentor assigned to you in each rotation, so then you're able to learn from them, bounce ideas and questions off of them as you go through to then get real on-the-job experience through each rotation. So really what I was looking for is which of these rotations would be not only the best fit for my skill set long-term, but also could I see myself pursuing this long-term? And so the best way for me to connect those dots was then to take on real work experience in each rotation. Yeah, so through the rotation, I rotated through the financial planning and analytics department, the accounting department, and then also had the opportunity to go to Germany for 3 months, so at the corporate office in Bad Homburg. Definitely, the mentorship is a huge benefit to the rotation because you have someone who you're dedicated. You don't have to feel, shy. You're coming out of school, you don't necessarily have, good work experience, so it's someone that you can rely on without having to feel like you're inconveniencing them or putting them out. You have someone that you can always go to bounce ideas off of and get work assigned to you, and then also then follow up with that person with questions as you work through your different assignments. And so having that person to sort of rely on throughout the rotation was huge and helps you sort of build confidence in your role as you continue through the different departments. I was able to take away from the rotations that I didn't ultimately pursue full-time. I still know now the systems that are being used, the work that's being done in those teams, the people to reach out to in those different departments to then continue that relationship and really expand my overall sort of foundation for what I know is happening behind the scenes from a finance perspective. But then I'm also able to apply what I learned in the rotation that I ultimately pursued, because really it's just the rotation, you're getting actual working experience just at a smaller level. So then when you pursue it full time, you're getting more and more experience just building on what you had initially started on, as well as the same systems, potentially the same team. So you know the people, you know the systems, you know the work. And so then it's just getting more and more responsibility and getting more comfortable with the work that you're ultimately doing.